Welcome back, children. We are continuing the assignment for the third week of October from the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In this part, we would be discussing, defining the question menstruation or period, menstrual cycle, menarche, and menopause. What is menstruation? You all know that. I told you in the case of female child at the age of puberty, one egg or ovum is produced from the ovary. In a month after puberty, in a female, one egg or ovum is produced from either of the ovaries. This time the uterus has undergoes certain changes. The uterus develops thick layer, to receive the egg. If fertilization has taken place, if fertilization with the sperm happens, the fertilized egg will come to this region of the uterus. For example, if we draw, suppose this is the ovary and this is these are the ovaries, and every month one of these ovaries produce one egg or ovum. This is called an egg or ovum. This is a female gamete, and this is this formation of the egg or ovum from the ovary, and the wall of the uterus thick with some lining. The wall of the uterus gets somewhat thick during this time. Why? If the fertilization takes place, if the sperm enter in married couples, the sperm enter and the fertilization takes place. The fusion of the egg and the sperm is called Fusion of the egg and the sperm is called fertilization. Fusion of the egg and the sperm is called fertilization. And after fertilization, you can see the egg will come and fix here. And this will grow into a fetus later. But if fertilization has not taken place, what will happen? The egg along with the thick lining of the uterus will be shed, and this will flow through the vagina. This is called menstruation or period. So if fertilization has not taken place in the female, if fertilization is not taken place, it means that fusion of sperm with the egg has not taken place. The egg along with the lining of the uterus will be, shed, will be peeled off, will be removed along with some amount of blood. This flow is called menstruation flow or menstruation or period. So what is menstruation or period? If fertilization has not taken place, the egg along with the lining of the uterus shed. It is accompanied by the flow of blood, some amount of blood also. This flow of blood along with the egg and the thin lining of the blood through the vaginal passage is called menstruation. It happens once in a month, and it will continue to 5 to 7 days. 5 to 7 days. 5 to 7 days it will continue. Almost 4 to 6 days also in normal cases. So this menstruation continues up to 6 or 7 days. We understand like that. So what is menstruation or period? If fertilization in female not taken place, the egg along with the thin lining of the uterus are shed, and it is accompanied by the flow of blood. This is called menstruation or period. And what is the next? This first menstruation takes place at puberty in female. The first menstruation takes place at puberty, that is called menarche, M-E-N-A-R-C-H-E. I have already told you 11 to 15 years of females. This menstruation, first menstruation takes place at the age of this puberty. That is called menarche. And this will continue, and up to 45 or to 50 years, this every month, this menstruation takes place. And we can say after 45 to 50 years in female, the menstruation will stop. Menstruation will be stopped. The stoppage of menstruation at the age of 45 to 50 years is called menopause. Menopause. You got it? So you got menarche. Menarche is the first menstruation takes place at the age of puberty. Got it? Very clear. Okay. Then menopause at the age of 45 to 50 in females, the menstruation stop, and the female now is unable to reproduce. Okay. Now after this age, the female is usually unable to reproduce. That means they cannot bear the child. So this age is called menopause. Now what is menstrual cycle? The cyclic changes that happens means egg formation. We call it ovulation. Egg formation from the ovary is called ovulation. Egg or ovum formation from any of these ovaries is called ovulation. Ovulation takes place and the menstruation. Ovulation and menstruation together form the menstrual cycle. The period of or the duration at which the ovulation begins and menstrual cycle, menstruation continues. That will be taken. Ovulation and menstruation all will continue within 15 days time, 14 to 15 days of a month. I mean before the end of the previous menstruation. Okay. At the end of the menstruation, complete your menstrual flow is over. 1, 2, 3, like that you can count. And 14 to 15 days. So ovulation plus menstruation form the menstruation cycle or menstrual cycle. You got it? So you understand that menstruation is the process. If fertilization has not taken place, the egg along with the thin layer of the uterus are shed, accompanied by a flow of small amount of blood, little amount of blood. That is called the menstruation or period. The first menstruation takes place at the age of puberty of a female is called menarche, and at the age of 45 to 50 in female, the menstruation stops. And this stoppage of menstruation is called the menopause. And menstrual cycle indicate that you can say ovulation plus menstruation together form the cyclic changes happens during ovulation and menstruation is called menstrual flow. You got it? You got it. Very clear. Okay. Now the next, how are the sex of a baby determined? Yes, I have already sent the video for that. Sex of a baby determined by the father's Y chromosome. The chromosomes of the male or father is XX, XY. XY means male. XY are sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes. Male has XY chromosome, whereas female, you can see XX chromosomes. XX chromosomes. Okay? So male, the sperm in the male contain only one of these chromosomes. The sperm in the male contain only one type of chromosome. Suppose the sperm, I am drawing this is the sperm and this is another sperm. This sperm contains X chromosome only and this sperm contains Y chromosome. So males can produce two types of sperm. Sperm with X chromosome and sperm with Y chromosome. Whereas females, the same type, XX means same type only. So the female produce one egg with only one X. Only one X. Female produce only one X in a month. I told you. Yes. So now you understand that. Okay. The sperm with the X chromosome fuses with this, and the individual becomes XX female. If the sperm with the Y chromosome fuse, it becomes XY. It is male. So if Y chromosome comes, it is male. If Y chromosome is absent, then it is female. You got it? So it is the Y chromosome of the father that determines the sex. So it is very easy to understand. So what are the two sex chromosomes of the male X and Y males? Female XX. So how many types of the sperms? How many types? Not the number. How many types? Two types of the sperm. What are they? Sperm with X chromosome and sperm with the Y chromosome. And female produce only one type of egg. That egg with the X chromosome. If sperm with the X chromosome fertilize this egg, it will become female, XX. And if the sperm with the Y chromosome fuses with the egg, then it becomes XY, it is male. So it is the Y chromosome that determines the sex. If Y chromosome is there, then it will become male. If Y chromosome is absent, then it will become female. You got